Hey guys, yeah, my little brother's trying to fix his gun, and he knows how. Crap. This is my other little brother. Don't touch it. Got that? I said don't touch. Don't touch. I don't get why he's touching that crap. I have no idea why.
No. This. John, tell me, you said.
Oh.
John, tell me, you said. We're getting ready.
We're live.
What?
We're live. Hey,
That, you guys.
Ah, my leg. Look at that. Freaking blister on my toe. That hurts. Blood blister. This little brother on his scooter, which is broke. Boy, look at that. Look at that, bro. Move your foot. Look at that. Our neighbor Tristan, who lives over there.
I might have to go Saturday.
Who lives over there, broke it.
Okay, I'm ready to
That's their Jeep. And can go get the gun. Did you guys see that? I almost fell flat on my face. Flat on my face. I don't know how to do all the special effects and everything, so. Okay, you're the one. Remember? Okay, they're about to fight and everything.
Battle.
They're gonna battle each other. Tell me you guys heard that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around and crap. Ow! This right here is our neighbor's bike. He left it in our yard. This right here is my bike. The green one, the back one here is mine too. The green one looks way better. I'm gonna fix my wheel. Ay, ah, that freaking hurt. Man, that hurt.
Hello?
Much better. There's the Jeep. Uh-oh, they're about to fight. They're about to fight. Oh, look at that. Look at all those. Look at all those. Look at all those bugs. Look at all those bugs on there. Look at all those bugs on there. It's nasty. Tell me that's not nasty. Tell me what comments I should do down in the below. And tell me what I should do in a video soon. And if you guys could, I would do a Fortnite video for you. Promise you guys that, okay? And I would like you guys to subscribe. Yeah, I can't say it. And hit that notification bell down below. And I would like 1,000 likes on this video. And you only have 7 seconds to do that. 7, 6. Wait, you know what? You guys can take your own good time. You guys can watch through the video. I changed my mind. You guys don't have to do that. They're about to fight. They're about to fight. Hold on, guys. Let me show you guys their guns. There's this one right here. There's this one. Let me see yours. That one. I'll show. Let's go inside our house, guys, and show you guys what other guns we have. Okay? Let's show you guys and everything. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Shut the door. Okay, let me turn off the lights. Here we go. Here's all the cars that we have. Right here. There's all the cars. Okay. Here's more of our cars. More. Oh, these two are fighting. Oh, he almost shot him. Oh, he almost shot him again. He's trying to throw a Pokeball at him. There's those. There's these back here. Tell me what. I'm gonna get all the guns, all of our Nerf guns right here. Put them right here. And show you guys what they all look like. Okay? And you just get those. Hey, Kaden, get those other guns back there. I will just do it. Ay, ay, ay. Ah, that hurt my leg. Here's the Xbox and crap right here. There's those again. They're crazy. Yeah. Our room might be a mess and everything, but that's one of our Nerf guns. And I literally had to sleep down here on the floor because how hot it was up there. It was super hot up there. But on my top bunk. Oh, there's my headphones. Here's my phone. Oh gosh, it was fell. It's my phone. Right there. There's the attachment to another Nerf gun. Where's this one? Where's my bag? I'm going to my grandma's tomorrow. So I'm going to do more YouTube videos there. Oh, our stepdad's coming in. I'm going to do more videos there. At our grandma's. You nearly shot me! I'm not in the Nerf battle. Jeez. And of course, they freaking tore this crap up. Here are all the other, these are the rest of the guns that we have. Oh yeah, here's this one.
Oh yeah! I can see you stuck in your walking bed.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. Right there.
Wait, John, can you point at the camera at me? And you saw him like...
He just shot the camera. That's what you gotta get!
I'll shoot you again if I have to.
They're crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. These things might look like they're real, but they're not. They're toys. And they're also made in China, so. Made in China. Yep, I can't get any. Man. Not joking, they're actually made in China. It says, let me see. Made in China. Right there. It says made in China right there. He keeps shooting him over and over again. I'm left. Oh, yeah.
I will defeat!
Haha. Yeah, you're out, bruh. They're shooting each other. Those Nerf guns hurt way more. They both suck. I don't know why, but they suck so much. They're so close to shooting each other. Oh, they missed. They missed. Hey, you shot me. Butthole. They're shooting each other. Can you have no bullet right there? You have a phone, it's not a freaking Nerf gun, look at that. He acts like it's a freaking Nerf gun. Those are the two Nerf guns. Oh, here's a bullet.
Hey! Give me that!
Yeah, show me what I'm doing. Ow! It hit me in my face. I hit it against the phone and crap. It came back and hit me right in the face. Come back. It hit me. Oh, bro! Their little hedgehogs. Look at that shirt. That shirt right there used to be mine.
No.
That shirt right there used to be mine. But this is what thing I'm wearing right now. This right here is what I'm wearing.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing that.
Yeah, I don't know why I had to wear this, but I did.
Oh, what's this? Oh.
Whoa, what the world?
Take that, Dad.
I was like, it's lagging.
No. Oh God! Oh God!
They're shooting each other now. You guys suck.
No! What the freak?
Jeez, you're feisty. That right there, gun, that sniper rifle right there is my favorite.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Look how I told me more and this. Oh, here's one. Oh, wow!
Hi guys, I would leave the video here, but they might get mad. See, I'm ending it in 3.
No.
Peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah.
Yep. We see you in the next video. Bye.